just made one pot dinner. Our chicken breast. Now we're gonna add our zucchini, and we let the vegetable to let go all of the veggie. I have not added no water. The chicken breast also has its own water. We cook it in low, and you see the liquid is coming out of the tomato and the zucchini and the chicken breast. This is a very nice dinner idea if you want to eat something light, nothing heavy, or if you are in a low calorie diet. If you are in a high protein and high fiber diet, this is the dinner for you. It has a variety of color. That's the way I like it. And you don't need much seasoning. You know, keep it simple. I like, when I'm very busy, to have fresh vegetable in the house. So when I come home, I throw in some veggie that doesn't require a lot of cooking. And chicken breast is always an option. Let me tell you guys something. When I go shopping for me, I take the chicken breast for the week, or I take the boneless chicken thighs. I put a little bit of adobo and a little bit of garlic and a little bit of oregano, and I just put it in a Ziploc bag as a whole. And as I make dinners throughout the week, then if I want to slide it, I slide it. I don't chop them, I leave them as a whole, the big piece of chicken breast. And then I cut it. You pre-season it with simple ingredients that you know that could go with anything. Oregano goes with anything. Garlic and adobo. The adobo is so you could have sodium. The oregano is to prevent the meat from getting messed up. You know? And whatever other seasoning you have to add, you add it whenever you're making your recipe. And that is a nice way for a busy working mom or dad, whoever cook in the house or student, to just come home, throw some broccoli, some zucchini, some carrots, whatever veggies you have in the house. Keep it simple. Make dinner under 30 minutes. That's the way I like it. Make dinner under 30 minutes. I hope you like all the tips I'm giving you today. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Not only just pretty, but delicious and very nutritious meal. And you only getting dirty one pot. Oh, that's the beauty of it. You don't have to feel guilty that you are not eating your veggies, because with this dish, yes you are. Look, all of the fluid that came out. If you want to just eat it like this, you could. If you want to eat it with some white rice,